This video I show you how to earn free Bitcoin using the best Bitcoin mining app for beginners this year 2021. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn free Bitcoin. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. And that way I will notify you whenever I have a new strategy to make money online so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money, enjoy it. Let's define Bitcoin first for the sake of those who didn't know what it is. So Bitcoin, often described as a cryptocurrency, is a virtual or digital currency. It's like an online version of cash. You can use it to buy products and services. Many shops accept Bitcoin as payment. People can send Bitcoins to your digital wallet, and you can send Bitcoins to other people as well. There are three major ways people get Bitcoins. First, you can buy Bitcoins using actual money. Second, you can sell things and let people pay you with Bitcoins. And last, we can create them using a phone or a computer, which is known as Bitcoin mining. And that's what we will focus in this video. Let us get started. Today I'm going to show you the top 7 most profitable Bitcoin apps that you can find on the internet this year 2021. All the different apps we are going to cover today are completely beginner friendly, and they are free to use. So you don't have to be an expert in cryptocurrency in order to make some profits with them. And as long as you have an internet connection and a mobile phone, you can use these apps. I'm also going to show you the most efficient way that you can make use of these apps. So stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now, the first website we need to make use in order to make free Bitcoin in 2021. So moving on to the second app is cryptobrowser.site. And it is available for both Android and iOS devices. This is one of my personal favorite, because the thing I absolutely love about this app is the fact that you can make passive income using it. You don't have to be actively involved in the process because this is basically a Bitcoin miner. That means that if you get this browser on your mobile phone or on your computer, you can let it run in the background. It will use some of your computer's or smartphone's resources. Nevertheless, it will generate Bitcoin for you automatically. That means you don't have to complete any surveys, you don't have to watch ads, you don't have to complete any micro tasks in order to get some profits. You can just leave it there, let it do its thing in the background, and that will generate Bitcoin for you. Now this browser is very similar to Google Chrome. If you actually use it, you will notice that it looks very similar. It feels the same way. And it uses the same extensions. So you can do the things you would normally do on Google Chrome on this browser. And all you have to do in order to start earning is install this app on your mobile phone. And as I've said earlier, you can get it on both Android and iOS devices. So it doesn't matter which operating system you're using because these browsers will still allow you to make some profits. Let's actually click on this Google Play icon. And this is how the app is going to look like. Now you can get the basic version for absolutely free, or you can also get the Pro version. But I don't recommend you get the Pro version just yet. Because if you're just starting out, you don't have money to invest in this method, you can use the free one and still make some profits. And after you've done so, after you have earned some money, you can actually reinvest it to get even more profits. But I will leave that up to you. For now, this video is aimed at beginners who are just starting out. So I want you to get the free version from Google Play. Moreover, I do recommend you install it on your computer as well and replace the browser you're currently using. Because that will maximize your earnings and give you even more profits. You don't have to, but if you wish to, you are free to do so. You can let Cryptid App Browser run in the background while you're using all the other apps. That is the main advantage of this app, and that is why I wanted to point this out, as this is pure passive income, because you can earn that without your involvement while using all the other apps that are generating active income. Now moving on to the third app is FeaturePoints.com. And you can get it on both iOS and Android devices as well, which is a huge advantage. Now they have paid their users $5.8 million since 2012. They have been in the business for quite some time. From my experience, they always pay their users their due money. And this is a reputable app. First of all, you will have to complete some micro tasks in order to get points that you can later on redeem and turn into actual money. So you will be able to complete surveys, earn cashbacks when you shop at one of their partner stores. There is a unique feature in this app that I wanted to point out because very few apps actually have this, which is getting points for just downloading apps. As you can see here, you are going to download certain apps on your mobile phone. And once your balance hits a certain threshold, you should be able to redeem your money. They have PayPal available as a withdrawal option. You can also get an Amazon gift card. But most importantly, you can get your rewards in Bitcoins, so they will send your money straight into your Bitcoin wallet. They also have decent commission for your referrals. So if you refer one of your friends and they start making points on this app, you will also get 50% out of that. That means that you can definitely leverage this method and maximize your profits by referring your friends or referring other people that are interested in making money online. Now you can sign up on this website by entering your email address here. Or you can click on one of these two buttons and download this app on your phone and sign up there. Up next, we have our fourth app, which is Sweatcoin. This app allows you to earn cryptocurrency but not Bitcoin. It is because they have their own cryptocurrency, which is called Sweatcoin, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can take advantage of that and what you need to do in order to earn it. As you can see here, this is available for both iOS and Android devices. Now this app pays you to walk. That's exactly what you need to do. In order to earn money with this app, nothing more and nothing less, they are going to pay you for each step that you take throughout the whole day. And this app is perfect for you, especially if you're an active person. But now the interesting part is that Sweatcoin alone doesn't really have value. And you cannot convert this into US dollars or Bitcoin or anything of that sort. However, in order to take advantage of your balance, you have to purchase certain items from their partner stores. Nevertheless, they have partnered up with hundreds of different businesses. So you can choose and purchase from different sorts of items using your Sweatcoins. As you can see here, you can purchase goods, services and experiences ranging from high-tech shoes to iPhones, from anti-gravity yoga classes to Apple Watches. So they have a lot of different partners that are willing to trade their items for Sweatcoin. They've got over 300 different partners. And that gives you a wide range of products that you can purchase. This is how the app looks like on Google Play. And as you can see here in this picture, they also give you PayPal gift cards. That means that you can also withdraw your money at some point into US dollars, but it may get you quite some time to get there because they have a high threshold for PayPal. However, you can instead purchase certain items that are a little bit cheaper. Now the reviews on this one are really good. That is rated at 4.3 out of 5, which is an amazing rating, judging by the fact that they've got over 174,000 reviews. Moving on to app number 5 is Free Bitcoin. You can find it on Google Play. I'm not sure if there is a similar app for iOS users. But for now I'm going to focus on this one. And this app is very similar to FeaturePoints. You just have to complete some micro tasks, such as downloading certain apps on your phone, watching videos, completing surveys, and so on. And that is going to give you points that you can later on withdraw or convert into Bitcoin. Now, this app's rating is quite good. It's 4.4 out of 5. But as you can see, some of these reviews are not too friendly. So you can do your own research on the web, or simply try this out and see if it works for you. Because people might have different results depending on how much time they're willing to spend. But I will let you be the judge. And last, but definitely not the least, here are the 6th and 7th apps on the list, which are very similar in concept. These are mobile games that we can play in order to earn extra money. The first app is called Blockchain Game, while the second one is called Alien Run. You can find them both on Google Play. Now remember, you are trading your time for money with these. And depending on how much time you have on your hand, you may be profitable or not. But I suggest you give these apps a try and see how much money you're able to generate. This wraps it up, and that is exactly how to earn free Bitcoin this year 2021. So there we go out. Thank you so much for watching. And be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notifications so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. As always, I will see you in some of the next videos.